Yo, crypto mavericks. Feast your eyes on this wallet. That ain't chump change. That's a serious pile of sol, all generated through smart moves. How'd I pull this off? Not by chasing pumps, but by engineering them. If you're sick of playing catch-up and ready to lead the charge, listen close. I'm about to reveal the exact blueprint for launching meme coins that actually make serious bank. Alright, let's set the record straight. If Pump Fun is still your go-to for coin launches, you're leaving serious money on the table, fam. That platform is an absolute free-for-all, a never-ending stream of new tokens that get rugged or fade into obscurity in mere moments. Trying to get your project noticed in that chaos? It's a lottery ticket at best. The smart money has long since pivoted. Now, it's mostly a digital junkyard. For real returns, you need a better battlefield. So, where are the real winners crowned? Radium, no question. This is where high-potential meme coins make their mark. You'll find fewer launches, but the caliber and potential for massive gains are exponentially higher. We're talking projects that attract significant liquidity, build robust market caps, and have a genuine shot at going parabolic. The main difference? Radium typically requires a degree of coding proficiency, which naturally filters out the endless wave of low-quality spam. This creates a more focused environment where a well-executed launch can truly capture the market's imagination and soar. But here's the game changer I'm about to drop on you, pumpzone.io. This platform is your direct, no-hassle, gateway to Radium, completely eliminating any need for complex coding. PumpZone simplifies the entire token deployment saga into a few, incredibly straightforward, user-friendly steps. First things first, your coin needs an unforgettable visual, a logo that commands attention and resonates with the Dagon spirit. For this operation, we're creating Trampage. Envision a design that screams power and momentum, perhaps a stylized bull or rhino, charging forward. Something dynamic and iconic. Fire up Canva. Set your canvas to the standard, 125 by 125 pixels. Design your Trampage emblem. Make sure it's bold and impactful. Then, save that masterpiece. Your coin's visual identity, locked and loaded. Time to bring Trampage into the digital world, using pumpzone.io. And the best part about this platform? No wallet connection needed for the token creation itself. That means top-tier security for your main funds. Okay, token name, Trampage. Symbol, Trampage. Sounds powerful. At 1 billion supply, it's the proven sweet spot. Leave it exactly as is. For the description, either paste your pre-written copy or whip one up right here in the editor. Upload that dominant logo. Whale metadata. Make absolutely sure this is turned on. It signals professionalism and transparency to large investors and helps build crucial early confidence. Social links. You can input these if you have an established following, but for a rapid and effective launch, I generally skip this. Now, the holy grail of legitimacy. Revoke authorities. Listen up. Revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, and revoke metadata update authority. All three of these crucial settings must be turned on. This is your public pledge of a fair and secure token. No possibility of new tokens being minted out of nowhere. No ability for the creator to freeze anyone's assets. No changing the coin's fundamental information after launch. This is what separates credible projects from fly-by-night operations. Next, PumpZone innovative feature. Paste your personal Solana wallet address, right here. This is the designated wallet where your freshly minted Trampage tokens will be delivered. Incredibly secure, as your main wallet is never directly connected during this creation process. I'm inputting my address now. Click Create Token. PumpZone.io will then display a unique Solana address. This address is for the small Solana minting fee. Copy it, head to your wallet, and send the Solana. Critical step. Do not navigate away from the pumpzone.io page after you've sent the fee. Allow it a few moments for the blockchain to confirm and process the mint. If you close the page prematurely, the transaction might fail. Just be patient. Token created successfully. Pumpzone.io now shows your official Trampage token contract address. Copy that. Trampage is now officially on the Solana blockchain. A quick check on Solskin confirms it. Minted and verified. Excellent. Now, let's get it to market. A token without a market is just a digital collectible with no value. Let's get Trampage into the Radium trading ecosystem. From pumpzone.io, click Create Liquidity Pool, or you can go directly to Radium. Connect your wallet there. For the base token, paste the Trampage contract address we just obtained. Symbol, Trampage. Name, Trampage. Add it, and then select it from the list. Your full 1 billion Trampage supply should be visible. We're going to commit 900 million to the liquidity pool to kickstart the trading action. Quote token will be Solana. Max out your available SOL for this liquidity, but remember to keep about 0.2 SOL aside for Radium's pool setup fee. It's usually clearly indicated. This Solana is your foundational capital. It's what makes trading possible. For the fee tier, 2% is the well-tested and effective choice. All parameters confirmed? Click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Prove the transaction in your Phantom wallet. And just like that, Trampage is officially launched and ready for the Degen army on Radium. Now that Trampage is live on Radium with active liquidity, time to chart our newly unleashed token. Grab your Trampage address from PumpZone, go directly to Dex Screener. Here's a pro tip. Open any coin's chart on a Dex Screener, then navigate to your browser's URL bar and simply replace that token's contract ID with your Trampage address. Hit enter and bam, your live Trampage chart is up and running. You'll probably see some instant small trades. Those are just the network bots performing their routine scans. We're on the lookout for those significant organic buy orders from real market investors. Hold your horses. Did you see that just now? Our first major buy order for Trampage just blazed across the screen. A significant injection of Solana just hit. You can see the liquidity pool instantly surge. That's the powerful green candle we were hoping for. This is incredible. Another wave of substantial buys just came roaring in, even more impactful this time. Trampage is clearly capturing attention, and investors are making their moves. Look at that market cap begin to expand rapidly. This is the pure thrill of a successful launch, watching the market embrace your creation with enthusiasm. Absolutely phenomenal. A third massive capital inflow just landed on the Trampage order book. Now, for the ultimate move, securing those profits. It's time to collect your dues. Head back to your Radium portfolio, click on the Standard tab, then hit that little minus icon. We're withdrawing the entire holding. Max out that slider to 100%. Take a moment to appreciate the Solana value you're about to transfer to your personal wallet. Looks good, doesn't it? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts, and let the blockchain finalize. That's how you convert a freshly launched meme into a significant Solana balance. This particular method has a high probability of success. Always remember, in the dynamic world of crypto, swift action and strategic initiative are often rewarded. The earliest participants frequently secure the most substantial outcomes, while those who hesitate may find the best opportunities have passed. Crucial notice: this video is provided strictly for educational and illustrative demonstration purposes. I'm not a registered financial advisor, and this content does not constitute financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently speculative and carries a high degree of risk, including the potential for significant loss. Your personal investment results may vary considerably. I maintain no financial affiliations or endorsement agreements with PumpZone.io or Radium. I'm merely sharing a method that has demonstrated current effectiveness. However, it is essential to recognize that such profitable strategies within the crypto market can be extremely time-sensitive. The landscape is subject to constant and rapid change. If this approach piques your interest, conduct your own thorough due diligence and consider acting with immediacy. These types of lucrative opportunities can dissipate without warning. Don't just be a spectator. Smash the like, subscribe for more advanced insights, and may your crypto ventures be exceptionally profitable. Until next time.